Hello and welcome and learn with me. The learning is brought to you proudly by Biomed Collection. Biomed Collection is a licensed company and operated by one pharmaceutical technologist, Betty Molinge, who is the director. We are licensed to transport, help you with management and safe disposal of pharmaceutical and biomed wastes. And most of the waste is usually the expired commodities. Let me ask you, how often do you check the product that you bought from a pharmacy? Most of you walk into a pharmacy to buy a drug on safe prescription, on doctor's prescription, or upon consultation from the pharmaceutical technologists or pharmacists. Now today, check here. When you are given these, do they give you opportunity to check the expiry, or they just pack it behind the counter and it's brought to you in the brown envelope? Well, good. Make it an habit to check. Request to check. Each product must have a batch number, manufacture date, and expiry date. As you can see, this is very safe. Expires on January 2025. We have this condom. Do check your condoms. Expiring in 2024. Can you see that with me? Okay, yes, clearer now. Please be sure to check. Do not just point it with your tongue. Get it, hold it, and check if it is good for your usage. For drugs like antibiotics that you have to buy all of it, you are very much safe because it will come as a packet. But the challenge is some ask, how long should be the validity or the shelf life when I'm buying? For a drug like antibiotic, that is not a challenge because you are supposed to consume the entire dose as prescribed. And most of them, unless in some rare cases, will go up to 2 weeks. As long as the expiry date is within that period, you're safe to go. You can look at the sample of the few others that I do have here. Then the challenge only comes with 2 drugs like painkillers, pain relievers that you only need part of it. Like here, you might just need 2. If the pharmacy practitioner picks out these 2, the expiry date goes. But a good practice is usually cut it this way. But still, in a way, somehow, you might miss this part. You might just have this part. At the pharmacy, the person there will have the larger packet where the drug is stored that has the expiry date on somewhere where they can always check. You see, like this, that painkiller was gotten from here. You can see. So let the pharmacy owner write, even if it is 1 or 2 tablets, kindly, for those who are working in community pharmacies, hospital pharmacies, or another pharmacy, write the name of the drug, the batch number, and the expiry date for the person that is purchasing the drug. I know most of you would understand why we need the expiry date, but may not understand why we need the batch number. We need the batch number in case the drug is recalled or there is an issue. That is the only thing that you can use to trace it and take it back if it's needed or do any monitoring. Thank you. As I said earlier on, this is proudly brought to you by Biomed Collection. For any consultation or queries you have about expired drugs, reach us.